Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Rashmi Deshpande from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Engineering Management and Research, Akodi. My topic is impact of artificial intelligence on carbon footprint and sustainable computation. These are my week 1 and week 2 video details. Week 1 video was related to IoT. IoT is boon for environment and sustainability. IoT technology is beginning to live up to its promise of driving efficiency as well as sustainability. IoT technology helps companies and energy providers to expand their services by linking up with countless decentralized devices and energy sources. And week 2 video was related to the several challenges on the planet. These challenges can be overcome by using artificial intelligence like smart agriculture using AI and automated connected vehicles using AI. After watching this video, students will be able to understand how IoT is boon for environment and sustainability, to identify different challenges and use appropriate approach like AI, to differentiate between different techniques can be used for suitable solution to ES, and to understand environment and sustainability related to every aspect. On 28 November 2019, EU declared climate emergency in different areas of world such as San Francisco, Europe, Australia and New Delhi. It was becoming harder to ignore these issues. But how AI plays role to address this issue? To address this, a portfolio approach is needed for technology development and deployment such as AI. Approaches are to develop and install renewable energy sources, development of higher capacity batteries, and use of autonomous vehicles. This table shows induced CO2 emission in million metric tons from year 1993 to 2012 by IEA, EIA and IO. Now from this table you can see the carbon CO2 emission, carbon dioxide emission, it increases gradually. World Economic Forum shows this graph of greenhouse emission, that is carbon footprint. Now you can see modern renewables are there in green color which have strong growth since 1974, means carbon footprint increases rapidly or increases from 1974 onwards. These are my week 1 and week 2 video details. Week 1 video was related to IoT. IoT is boon for environment and sustainability. IoT technology is beginning to live up to its promise of driving efficiency as well as sustainability. IoT technology helps companies and thus sustainable computation depends on environment, economy and society. That means in each aspect of life this sustainable computation is needed. It can be calculated. This graph indicates AI promotion for development of next generation in artificial intelligence industry. Initially, Internet of Things is used, but in 2017 for social and economic development, artificial intelligence is proposed.